Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So we've broken through a level which I think would be worthwhile watching, but at the moment this is really just a bigger range, to be quite honest. So we're still sort of just ranging about. At the moment, pull back onto 104871 should probably open up the move back down to 103667. But until we break out of this range, I am quite frankly just sitting quietly on the side. If you look at the hour, yesterday we had a pretty big move. Wasn't quite off structure, but we did break through this level, came back with 1 bar pullback, more than likely a 15-minute pullback. So there's a 1 bar 15-minute pullback onto the structure, and then continue down. So that was the only entry that was there. So for me at the moment, this is the area to pay attention to again. So hasn't been a decent pullback. So 104871, we're looking for a retest of that before shorting again, and you are aiming for 103667. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen. Nothing really happening here. I just want to get rid of this. So we are testing the top again, but look at the diversions on the 8-hour. Price has made a new high, diversions made a low, so sort of a lower high. So I would be very skeptical of jumping in long at the moment on this pair. If we look at what transpired yesterday, big move up as we expected. There was a flag. There was a flag there that we spoke about yesterday. So we have moved up. I don't think we've quite hit the flag target. We also didn't come back and test the flag. So again, looking for structure. We did get 2 bars onto this area here. So I just pull back a little bit further. That's probably more likely what it should be. You can see the swing high here. So we're looking for a move back to 136308. Then we need to see if we get price action there for another move up. But I'm reluctant at the moment with what we're seeing just here. So I want to see a pullback before jumping in on that. So that's also a sit on hands. Dollar is a clear sit on hands, to be honest. British pound, Japanese yen. Been a sideways week most of the week. We're back at this level that we're looking at, which is 165.400. If we get down to the 1 hour, look at that, barbed wire, tails to the upside, tails to the downside, complete confusion, and we are sideways, which basically means sit tight and wait for structure to happen. Oscillators are pointing to the upside, but we've crossed below the moving averages, so we're going to need a lot more than what's going on now. I think this is the area to pay attention to. Break below 165.400, then that's probably going to open up a move to 164878, but I think that's about as much as you're going to get out of that pair. Lastly, Euro British Pound. So we're moving up. We had a big move down, big move up. Nice big pin bar here. Not much structure that is coming off. Crossed over the moving averages, pointing to the downside. Bit of divergence here on the 8-hour. I suspect we're coming back, and like I said yesterday, 085817 is the likely target. But if you look at yesterday's chart, big up, big down, big confusion. So I would watch this range here. So a break of this range and retest, that would break the 155 retest. Then I think that would validate the bigger move, well, relatively bigger move back down to 085817. I think that's the only opportunity. But if you look at the oscillators, it's probably indicating the reverse is true. So a break above 086198 or 086200 and a retest of that will probably open up the move to come and test this area here, which would be 086413. Anyway, that's it for me on Forex. It's a pretty tough market at the moment. I think sometimes patience is key. So that's kind of my view today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.